20 years, I've worked for one of the largest utility companies in North America. And I started off as the project manager to find a replacement to our aging homegrown asset management system. We had looked at a lot of other products, and choosing IPS was really kind of an easy decision to make because it was really the only solution that had everything in-house. So we were looking for a solution that had everything that we were currently doing. It had enhancements for protection and control that we wanted. So that's really why we decided to go with IPS. We saw that there was a definite need to be able to expand what we were doing, specifically in the areas of being able to communicate between various programs that we used. IPS continued to improve their product and provide things that you don't really know you need until it's available. By using the BPM, the Business Process Management module, you can create workflows that include every other area of the system. So with very limited training, you can take an end user and you can walk them through a workflow by the BPM. So being able to work within the system with one module working with another module, and that's probably the strongest thing about IPS, is that you enter that data into the system one time and you can use it in a myriad of different ways. It's great to have the software synergies and be able to pass data back and forth, be able to take data that's in one part of the system and utilize it in another part of the system. But more than that, it's the human synergies that it produces, where one department now understands better how they fit into the big picture and how their data can then help another department. So it's not just the software synergies, it's the people synergies as well. What makes it stand out is the fact that all of the modules that you need to work on, there's a lot of others that just track a workflow. This one walks you through it. You can access any part of the system from the BPM module immediately. So having it in one system where you have a one-stop shop for the electrical utility industry, if IPS doesn't do it, then it can interface with the system that does do it. So being able to take that information where you're not duplicating it over and over again, that is the future of all of the software in this industry. And IPS is really at the forefront of that. If I got to give you one word, I'll say flexible. One of the primary strengths behind the IPS software is the IPS family that puts that software together, that listens to the client, that listens to the customer, finds out what they need, and then produces more software, enhances the software so that it covers what they need to do. They have truly proven themselves to be a partner to the entire electrical utility industry.